Miss Sustainable Tourism Development, Sia Ilomipeau Tuipulotu, has always dreamed of dancing ever since she was a little girl. Tonight, she will make this dream come true because this will be her first time to perform for all of you as she graces us with a beautiful rendition of Pua Lililehua. Like a rare blossom in the midst of a desert, may we follow the gracefulness of her hands and the beauty of her complexion and feel as she tells us the story of Pua Lililehua. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Sustainable Tourism Development, Sia Ilomipeau Tuipulotu.
Malo.
Tauhokaten kia Sia Ilomipeau Tuipulotu, Pua Lililehua, a Hawaiian hula.
Tareniti hono Miss Sustainable Tourism Development, Sia Ilomipeau Tuipulotu. Tareniti hula whaka Hawaii. Ka uhu anoa bea mei makawhaka. Sustainable Tourism Development. Institute for Higher Education. Tareniti whikaua ia o e whiawhini Miss Sustainable Tourism Development, Sia ilompeau tupulotu.
Joy Haunani Pamiris, Luana Kava'a, and the ladies of Papa Lawa'i.
Once again, our second contestant with a Hawaiian hula, a very beautiful song selection, a classical Hawaiian song, Pua Lili Lehua, written by Mary Kavena Pukui. Thank you for our second contestant's beautiful performance and her rendition of that beautiful song. Halo Apito, Miss Sustainable Tourism Development.
Sia ilompeau tupulotu.